Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the fire pit stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook, and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. We're going to immediately get into our sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. So that's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all in that same stitch together. And that's our sequence. So you're going to skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V in the next one. Skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V in the next one. Skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V-stitch in this next stitch. So it's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V in this next one. Skip 2 stitches, make a double crochet V in the next stitch. Now you're going to have a stitch and then some chains over here left. You're going to skip this last stitch and then into the top of these last chains right here. You're going to make a double crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch, so you'll be skipping the first stitch in this row. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch and each chain space across. When you get to the end of this row, you're going to have some chains left. These chains counted as a double crochet stitch. So into the top of these chains, you're going to make a double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 4 chains. 3 of these 4 chains count as a double crochet, and then this one chain is just a chain. So we're going to be skipping the first stitch where this double crochet is, using this one chain to skip the next stitch. So we're skipping these 2. Into the third one, make a double crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence, make a chain to skip a stitch. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. And that is it. Make a chain to skip a stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make a chain to skip a stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make it one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, make a double crochet. Make one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make one chain, skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make one chain to skip one stitch. Into this next stitch, double crochet. Make one chain to skip this last stitch. Then you're going to have some chains over here. These chains counted as a double crochet, so you're skipping this last stitch because of this chain. Into these last chains, you're making a double crochet into the top of them to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet, so you'll be skipping this first stitch. You're going to make a double crochet into each chain space and stitch across. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have these chains left. You're going to work one double crochet into this chain space because these chains counted as a double crochet plus a chain space. So make one double crochet in this chain space. And then into the top of these chains, you're going to make a double crochet because these are standing as a double crochet stitch. So make it into the top of those chains, just one double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the fire pit stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.